Living in a fast-paced world can feel very overwhelming. Your mind is constantly racing, your body always on alert. But what if sound could be the key to unlocking deep relaxation, clarity, and even healing? At Insumataq Studio, we invite you to experience the power of sound meditation. This is an ancient practice that aligns mind, body, and spirit. Using instruments like singing bowls, chimes, drums, we create immersive vibrational journeys that shift your energy, slow your heart rate, and activate a deep meditative state. Science confirms what the ancients always knew: that sound can calm the nervous system and lower stress. It can even make human connection much deeper. If you are seeking inner peace, emotional release, or simply a moment of stillness in this chaos, Insumataq Studio is your sanctuary. Come lay down, surrender to the sound, and let it guide you home.